Nick here with TinyWoodStove.com, and we're going to be talking about cleaning your stove glass. Why does it need to be cleaned? How to keep it clean. Let's get started. Okay, why does your stove glass get dirty? Well, there are several factors. One of them is your air wash. Some stoves don't have air washes. If your stove does not have an air wash, your glass is going to get dirty. The air wash on the Dwarf line is right above the door, and it's a little slide valve, and it feeds air to this manifold, which shoots a thin layer of air over the glass. So all of those volatile gases and stuff that are burning inside of the firebox aren't just sticking onto the glass. There's air that's keeping it from that. So if you shut this all the way down, you're gonna get junk on the glass. I generally keep this wide open unless I'm going for longer overnight burns, and then I'll usually take it down to about 50%, but usually not more than that. This is about as dirty as our glass gets. Another factor that can contribute to dirty glass is what you're burning. So if you're burning wet, kind of nasty wood, you're gonna have a lot more junk on the glass. Another factor is position of logs in the firebox. So if I position this log this way, the gases are gonna be, as this heats up, the gases are gonna release and they're gonna be shooting out this direction. So if my log's facing the glass that way, I'm probably gonna get more junk on the glass. Also, if anything is touching the glass, that's gonna cause it to get dirty as well. So you can burn quality dry wood and burn it hot and use your air wash, and you should have relatively clean glass. So how do you know if you're burning seasoned wood? There's different tests. You can slam sticks together, and if there's a hollow sound, you can put soap on it and blow and see if there's bubble. The best way is with a moisture meter. So our moisture meter, you just turn it on, and then you press it into the wood, and this is 19 to 20% moisture content. Obviously less than that is fine, but anything less than 20% is good to burn. So you don't need any special products to clean the glass. They do make special kind of Scotch-Brite sponges, and they make special cleaners. Even for really gnarly glass, you don't need that. Just a little bit of elbow grease. Newspaper works really good. I don't have any right now. I'm just gonna be using a paper towel and some water. So I'm just gonna get my paper towel a little bit wet, and then I'm gonna dip it in some ash. And then I'm gonna take that onto the glass and just a little elbow grease. So then I'll take a dry side of the cloth, and then I'll just kind of buff that out. So the ash acts as a little scrubbies. They're just really fine. And so the ash and the coal just acts as a astringent to kind of grind off the stuff on the glass without damaging the glass. And then just what I buffed on the outside. And our glass is perfectly clear. That's all it takes to clean your stove glass. If you'd like to pick up a moisture meter, you can find those at TinyWoodStove.com on the accessories page. And if you'd like more information on tips and tricks in using a stove and maintenance, check out our information page, TinyWoodStove.com, in the Learn tab. Thanks for watching.